Meaning of drafts.
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 Drafts. Draughts, also known as checkers, is a classic board game that has been played for centuries around the world. The objective of the game is to capture all of your opponent's pieces or block their moves so they can't make any more moves. Each player takes turns moving their pieces diagonally across the board, and capturing their opponent's pieces by jumping over them. The game requires strategic thinking and careful planning in order to outmaneuver your opponent and ultimately emerge victorious. Overall, Draughts is a challenging and engaging game that has stood the test of time.